Okay, I had now the chance to compare the Philips wireless Bluetooth headphone with the JVC headphone. For me, the standard was this Sony. It's a relatively cheap but very good quality sound wired headphone. So when I compared all of this together, and I compared them with listened to all of them in one song, and that was the Rocket Man by the Elton John. And after listening to all of this, I felt that this is a little bit muted, as if it doesn't play all this. You can hear, but the depth is not there. The dynamic range of the sound is not there. It's very good for the battery life, because 17 hours of battery life you can get out of this just for playing music. If you want to use it for telephone, anything, it probably is around 200 hours or more even. And it's also class 2. This is an older version than this. This is more modern. And this older version, I noticed that when I listen to this, the quality of the sound is better than the wired one, Sony one, which was really good. This is a really good one. I really enjoyed listening with this. Beyond that, it is superior to that, because it's like this, for example, string instrument. When you're listening to a string instrument, as if your ear is exactly on the string. You can feel the vibration of the string instruments. Or percussion instruments, you can easily hear as you are there. So it has a very good dynamic range. It's 10 to 22,000 hertz. This is 20 to 22,000 hertz. I don't know about this one. I've lost the document, but this is good quality. For me now, after using both three of them, I can say the Philips is the best one. You can buy it from Argos, I think, $39.99 in the UK, of course. I will write the specifications in the description for the video. Then comes the Sony, which is a cheap one. I bought it, I think, £18 3 years ago. Very cheap, very good quality. I've been using it since then. Many places, I took it everywhere. But it's wired, of course. And then comes third, this one. I'm amazed at the quality of this Philips Bluetooth. It's beautifully playing the song. Listen to Rocket Man or anything like that, which has some different instruments on it. You will see what I mean. And yeah, which one I recommend? If you are after the battery life, this is definitely for you. If you're in the commutation, in train, busy trains, and there are a lot of you are moving also yourself on the outside train, noises, everything, and you need a long battery life. If you're going for a tour or travel, or you don't have access for a long time to charge it, this is the one to go. This is good. It's cheaper than than this Philips one. This is about £32. You can buy it £30 also. I bought it from Asta. It's good quality. For the long battery life, is more modern than the Philips one. Philips one has a really good sound quality, but the battery life for the playing of music is only 11 hours. And this, of course, is a Sony one. I can say this comes after Philips now. After listening to the Philips, I feel that the Sony is now overtaken by Philips in this. This Sony cheap, £18. Probably now it's about £10. You can buy it in Argos. But I prefer this one now for my listening to music and pairing with my devices. I recommend this one for quality of the sound, for battery life and the duration of the charge. I recommend definitely this one, JVC one. Is very good. It gives a long battery life.